Most people looking for a fast ride are caught between two worlds, the expensive, polished brands and the high-speed budget options that seem almost too good to be true. We're looking at a machine that fits right in that second category. It is a high-power adult scooter that is making a lot of noise online right now. People are drawn to it because of the aggressive speed claims and those chunky off-road style tires. For the price of a standard commuter bike, you are getting a motor that packs a massive amount of peak power. On paper, the value is through the roof. It has dual suspension and a heavy foldable frame. But you have to ask yourself what you are giving up to get that price point. The feedback from the streets is a real roller coaster. Some riders absolutely love the raw acceleration. They say it feels like a rocket for short trips or casual weekend rides. But then the reality of the range kicks in. If you are a heavier rider or you face a lot of steep hills, those marketing numbers might start to look a little optimistic. The performance can dip when the terrain gets tough. One thing that stands out is the build. It feels incredibly sturdy for a budget-friendly unit. Those oversized tires do a great job of soaking up bumps on the road. Some owners even take them onto gravel or dirt paths with no issues at all. It is much more capable than those skinny tire scooters you see scattered around city sidewalks. But there is a shadow over the experience, and that is quality control. It is a bit of a gamble. One person gets a unit that works perfectly while the next person deals with a loose break-a-dim screen or a throttle that feels a bit laggy. This is common when a company focuses on raw specs instead of total refinement. You also need to realize these things are heavy. They're not the kind of scooters you can easily carry onto a crowded bus or tuck under your arm in the grocery store. Portability is definitely taking a back seat to power here. Then there's the matter of stability. At high speeds, some riders report a bit of a wobble in the steering. You might find yourself needing to buy a steering damper just to feel confident when you are really moving. It is a legit machine, not a scam, but it is built for the person who does not mind doing a little maintenance. If you want a polished premium experience, this probably is not it. But if you want a fast, affordable beast and you are willing to turn a wrench now and then, it is a compelling choice. Getting it ready to ride is a simple process. You start by clearing away all that packaging. Find the charger and the hardware kit first. Keep the power off while you work. You just lift the handlebar stem into place and engage that locking mechanism. Use the tool they provide to bolt on the handlebars. Make sure they are perfectly straight and tight. Check the air pressure in the tires before you do anything else. Give the battery a full charge, which is vital for the health of those cells. Once the light turns green, take a slow test lap. Check the lights. Make sure the brakes feel snappy. It is all about making sure everything is secure before you really open it up. It is a fun, powerful ride for anyone who knows exactly what they are signing up for.